new module. This is our new module. KC9561. This is sound generator module. It can generate sound effects or a certain sounds we're going to build or to make with our new project. This is from online store, and we're going to connect this pin header into this IC because it is not included when you buy this IC or this board. Have the circuit. This is now our circuit. That is the IC mounted in a breadboard, jumper wires, power LED, transistor, NPN transistor, capacitor 104, and then 3 push button, and B250K 250 kilo ohms potentiometer. We're going to use this 18650 battery, 4.2 volts, and then let us connect to the circuit. LED power turns on, and for the output we're going to hear the sound of the generator produced by the IC. Let us connect this speaker AYIMA 4 ohms 3 watts to the output. Connect it to the breadboard. Adjust the potentiometer. How about the button 1? Pressing the button 1. Adjust. And then the second push button. And then for the third button. This is now our circuit diagram of KD9561. KD9561 sound generator that can produce siren, ambulance, fire truck alarm, pacer. So this is the main IC. In the top, at the top, you can see here it we connected the 250 potentiometer. So if this is the potentiometer, pin 1, pin 2, pin 1 to the wiper, the middle, connected to the other end. And then the 3, there's no connection for the 3. And then we have the positive supply, or the supply positive. Then the negative here, supplying using the battery 4.2 volts, that is 18650. Then the ground, this is key 1 or the switch 1, connected to the switch 1 and then to the positive, that is switch 1. So we have that switch 1, switch 2 connected to the 2, key 2, and then to the negative. And then the switch 3 connected to the 1, switch 1, and then switch 2. So in here, we're going to connect a switch here, or switch 0. so that we have a power switch here in our module that we're going to construct. We're going to connect the switch here, so that once we powering the circuit, the switch, it will turn on, and there's a sound already. Capacitor C1 connected to the positive and then to the ground. We need this stabilizer. And then the speaker, the output speaker connected to the positive of the speaker to the positive of the voltage supply, and then the negative of the speaker to the collector of BC547 transistor. The base is connected here from left to right, pin number 4, and then the emitter is grounded. So what is the use of the transistor here? The use is serve as an amplifier. So in our demo, we're using only 3 switches. So every time we press the button, it will sound like an alarm, ambulance, siren, or we press again this one. This is normally open push button tactile switch. And this one, we're going to construct this. This is part is latch or toggle switch, power switch. So all in all, in our ongoing module, we're going to construct 4 switches with this IC and then the transistor, in which we have the output speaker. We're using we are going to use this capacitor. That is the wirings of our sound generator. It is capable of producing 4 types of sound: alarm, siren, ambulance, and fire or pacer. I made some revision. The switch 2 now that the switch 2 is connected to the positive instead of negative, from key 2 to positive. And then we have this slide switch, and I added the power LED in the circuit. That is our circuit.